Okay, most women try anti-aging creams hoping for a miracle. We all do. But here is the truth. If you don't understand how they work, you are probably wasting your money. So let's decode what's really happening inside that little jar and which ingredients do the heavy lifting. Okay, first, you need to understand that your skin barrier is a diva. It decides what gets in and what gets blocked. That's why most creams just sit on top, moisturizing, yes, but not really changing anything unless they contain active ingredients that go deep. Number one, retinoids, all the declinations of vitamin A. These are the gold standard. They speed up cell turnover, they stimulate collagen, and they also fade dark spots. But they can also irritate your skin if you overuse them. So go slow and always use sunscreen. Number two is peptides. These tiny chains of amino acids, they act like messengers. Well, they basically tell your skin like, hey, you have to make more collagen. So they are great for firming and smoothing your lines, especially if you are in your 40s and beyond. Number three is hyaluronic acid. This is not an exfoliant, it's a moisture magnet. It pulls water into your skin and it makes it, it makes your skin look like plumper and dewier almost instantly. The trick is always to apply it on your skin when it's damp, and then you want to seal it with your moisturizer. Number four is antioxidants like vitamin C, vitamin E, and niacinamide. They fight free radicals, the things from pollution, the sun, and stress. Free radicals, basically, they speed up your aging process. Now, vitamin C, for example, will also help you with brightness and pigmentation when used consistently. Number five, exfoliating acids, AHAs, BHAs, PHAs. I love skin acids. They dissolve dead skin cells. They help active ingredients go deeper. Glycolic acid, I love glycolic acid, lactic acid, salicylic acid. These are like the common players. And they will prep your skin so the rest of all, your creams actually work. And you have to understand, how do anti-aging creams work? Well, only if the formula has real science, real active, and if you use them consistently. Not once a week when you are in panic mode before a wedding. Seriously. Take the quiz. Bye for now.